Now to a new report from the Department of Health and Human Services detailing sexual abuse involving unaccompanied minors. The report reveals thousands of migrant children were sexually abused while in U.S. custody over the last 4 years. Officials say a request for the report was made back in January. Florida Congressman Ted Deutsch shared details of that report with the House Judiciary Committee earlier today.
I am deeply concerned with documents that have been turned over by HHS that record a high number of sexual assaults on unaccompanied children in the custody of the Office of Refugee and Resettlement. Together, these documents detail an environment of systemic sexual assaults by staff on unaccompanied children.
All right, joining me now, NBC News national security justice reporter Julia Ainsley. Julia, this is a staggering report showing a sharp increase in these instances of sexual abuse in 2018. What do we know about this?
That's right. I've been going through these documents myself, Allie. I mean, they're gut-wrenching. There's no other way to say this. This details all of the reports that these children gave while they were in the custody of HHS. And you're right, there was an uptick in 2018, and that is in part because the number of children, just sheer numbers, increased in ORR custody for two reasons. One, we know the family separation policy put more children in that care than otherwise would have been. They would have been with their parents otherwise. And then we also know that they held them for longer because of policies that made it harder for them to be returned to their families and to sponsors. So sheer numbers brought that up, but I think what I'm really focused on is what happened. We don't know what happened to any of these reports from 2017 and 2018. That's not put in the report. We know 78 of these allegations involved serious sexual misconduct by adults. Most of them were from minors, but what about those 78 adults? Were they fired? How much of that was handed over to the Justice Department? What did they do with that? All of these are lingering questions, and I think today we've seen how Democrats in the House are going to start to subpoena to get more information, more statistics, ask for more answers from HHS and from DHS over how migrant children are being treated in this system.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.